Take a moment to check out the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. This vehicle still has fewer than 50,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy owning a vehicle that's your true blue ally in the face of life's ever-increasing demands. The Grand Caravan's smart, versatile design has you covered in safety and comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, daytime running lights, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks, power steering. Make the most of your family's growing years. Get into the Grand Caravan and enjoy the ride.